Welcome to BRAVO. Welcome to Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnian Representative Association for Valuable Opportunities is a professional, non-profit and non-governmental organization based on knowledge focused on entrepreneurship, civil society development, consulting, startup support, non-formal education, project management, networking and innovative learning, and development techniques for young people and adults. What makes this organization outstanding and ready to take responsibility are our key principles: tolerance, democracy, diversity, voluntariness, and openness. We promote partnerships between the private, public sector, and civil society for sustainable community development, advocating for the education of young people with an emphasis on skills needed in the 21st century, investing in entrepreneurship, innovation, non-formal education, and sustainable local community development. BRAVO is a professional organization with a pool of experts in the field of project management, startup ecosystem and startup support, entrepreneurship, consulting, sport, education through sport, languages, sales and social media management. We are transferring knowledge about project management and non-formal education, educate youth and professionals, provide trainings for other organizations and companies, as well as support startups and SMSs. BRAVO is not just a random organization. BRAVO is a family with a goal of changing people's life and bringing valuable opportunities to young people. BRAVO is focused on designing and writing projects, education through sport, edu and language courses, consulting, startup support, networking. Why choose us? BRAVO will make your ideas alive, your projects better, who will help you to enter the international market and support your development with an amazing team and bunch of the partners. What we can offer to you: integrated partnership, partners focused, process oriented, constantly evolving, established organization, experienced staff, resources to deliver, BRAVO Edu tools, PM and DS certified, honesty and integrity. The BRAVO mission is to provide opportunities for independent, organized and focused cross-disciplinary youth and young professionals in their personal development in Europe and on the world level. The mission of BRAVO is to encourage and support interdisciplinary and intercollaborative digital skills and non-formal education research for creating better communities and integration all over the world, to serve as an educational hub for digital skills, non-formal education, sports, startups, groups and individuals from across Europe, and to disseminate our results with academics, professionals and to the general public. The world of digital skills and education is rapidly evolving, and as a result, issues arrive with an increased number of active people and organizations highlighting the social exclusion and poor quality of education. Our main goal is to create awareness of these questions and to foster creative solutions. Our vision is to become the leading organization not only in Bosnia and Herzegovina, but also in the Europe that will bring together young leaders in order to serve them as the most successful platform for the transfer of new knowledge, business opportunities, and tools necessary to positively influence the often negative circumstances in the region. Support young people in sports to work and develop on the international level. Bring together professionals from the areas of business and sports with the aim of learning and presenting good practices from around the world, especially European institutions and organizations, in order to apply these good practices in Bosnia and Herzegovina and therefore support the development of business and sports in B&H and the whole region of Western Balkans. Let us tell you a bit more about BRAVO numbers. BRAVO Network. We love to go along and have fun with our partners. BRAVO Ambassadors. Our power are young people and youth professionals who are making a change in the world. For more information about BRAVO and our daily work, feel free to check our social media channels.